બોલું છું બધું આવડે છે.
So I'm waiting here for my friend to come, and today we are going to talk about.
Our favorite TV shows.
बहुत जल्दी आ गई यार तू.
Thanks. I'm always on time. Hello everyone, I'm Tanisha Rajput and I'm currently studying in 6th semester in IT department.
Hey guys, I'm Miraj Vyas and I'm final year student of computer engineering at GIT.
So recently we have been through a pandemic and I have spent an entire year watching series.
बस एक साल या मेरे 4 साल निकल गए शोज देखने में.
What a true engineer.
Yes, I am.
So which platforms do you prefer?
So I prefer Amazon Prime, Netflix, Disney Plus.
MX Player?
No, like MX Player and all that I use for Hindi TV shows. So for English I prefer Amazon Prime, Netflix only.
And which all shows do you have watched?
So I've watched Game of Thrones, then 13 Reasons Why, Lost in Space, then I guess Lupin and The Vampire Diaries.
Vampire Diaries? Seriously? I'm going to
Yes.
judge you so much because of that.
Oh my god, you are misjudgmental then.
Thank you.
So like what shows have you watched?
The End of World, I'm Not Okay With This, How to Get Away with Murder,
Oh,
and Riverdale, 13 Reasons Why, Dark and Stranger.
okay. So from the beginning I used to like Hollywood movies and specifically suspense and then science fiction and also thriller. So मतलब मैंने वहीं से कंटिन्यू किया कि इतना जल्दी क्यों ख़त्म हो जाता है हॉलीवुड मूवीज़. So like I used to watch start with The Flash. It was like a superhero series.
I used to read a lot, and then it became my thing to read stories or see stories. Then I love stories, so I am a compulsive storyteller. So series, TV dramas, all these things became my thing, and I started watching all of it. So as we discussed, we both like Money Heist. So which is your favorite character?
Denver. Like as per his character or nature, I like Denver more because you know like he is very sensitive and also like he's a little bull brain I know, but he's sensitive. Like he chose to protect Monica.
मोनिका का
Hostage.
सरनेम क्या है?
मोनिका का सरनेम है मोनिका गायतोंडे.
ओके
ओके, मेरे को पता है इसका स्टैम्प भी है.
ओके
Yes. So he chose to protect Monica even after the instruction of Berlin to kill her. So it was a very nice gesture. So एक अच्छा बात होता है कि moral values उसने नहीं छोड़ी ऐसा. And also like he is very sensitive, comparatively sensitive है और also innocent. So like I like his nature more of the character.
I like his laugh.
Yeah, it was also very funny.
My favorite character is Berlin because he took in charge of the entire heist, and without him this heist was actually a suicide plan because उसके rules के according ही heist चली, so that is why heist इतनी smooth थी. And one more thing, that he was not interested in money, he was more interested in the heist. He was passionate about it. This was his whole passion. Also, he sacrificed his entire life because of this. I know he had some illness, but still he sacrificed himself so that everyone can get out properly and safely.
Yeah, but तुम्हें लगता है just because of passion उसने थोड़ा moral values अपना low कर लिया वहाँ पे?
No, he had emotions. So उसमें emotions थे. Even though heist में entire part में वो emotions नहीं दिखे, but he had some emotions.
Yeah, but she like he abused the like little girl that
No,
came for the
he did
visit in
not.
the bank.
He was a bad guy, obviously. That is why he is in the heist. But
Like,
still, he had some
All were
emotions.
bad, but like moral values थोड़ा होना चाहिए उसमें से.
No, still he saved her. और उसको सेव करके ही उसने अपनी लाइफ सैक्रिफाइस की है. उसके साथ एंटायर ग्रुप हाइस्ट का था. So
Yeah,
सबको
it was a nice gesture that
Even
he
your
lost.
favorite character, Denver,
Yeah,
Berlin saved.
yeah, okay. So my another favorite character is Klaus Michelson, and the character is from the show The Originals. The Originals is a show about the hybrid, like he was a hybrid, half vampire and half werewolf. And this show like was totally about how he was having a baby because we all know that vampire don't have babies, like they can't reproduce, but he was able to reproduce from the half vampire werewolf side. And then he was a very cruel person, like he was hybrid, he was the strongest, he was also called the big bad wolf. And how how that monster turned into a very soft-hearted person at the end of the season. It was the whole journey of the show. Like also his whole family came like together to protect, because from the beginning they all were very separated due to lack of, we can say, communication, and also like some issues, family issues. But to just save her child, they all the family members came together, and also like they raised and also made a better world for her without any enemies. That was a very good part of the show. And Klaus Michelson, who was totally a monster, we can say, he never did pity on anyone, but he turned out to be a very good person for her child, and it was like basically a good one.
Another show that I like is 13 Reasons Why, and the character in that show is Hannah Baker. I liked her so much because she was strong through the entire series. Also, that first series I watched, I mean, recently कोई series mental health पे focus नहीं करी है, and this one was a series in which mental health was focused. And Hannah Baker was one of the students in the college. She was bullied, she was tortured or molested, and then she decided to kill herself. So that is why 13 Reasons Why is the 13 reasons why she decided to end her life. So she made 13 tapes in which she recorded that why she's going to kill herself and who bullied her, so that they regret it and they know that it is so important to be kind in today's world. So that is why I like this show a lot, because सब लोग कॉलेज में bully करते हैं, ragging होते हैं,
it's
these
like
things
very
are
common
common.
like nowadays.
Yes. So that is why I like
The
this show
strong
so
ones
much.
bully the weaker ones.
Exactly. So that is why I like this show, because it's spreading so much awareness about suicide.
So my another favorite show is The Hundred. So The Hundred is a show about the people, like the future of mankind. So like it is shown that people had moved to live in space stations after the nuclear apocalypse that had happened in Earth. And but after a few decades in the space station, the oxygen starts depleting, and they decide to send the 100 prisoners to the ground to check if the Earth is again livable or not. So like when their prisoners reached the ground, so they discovered that they were not only the only one who were there. There were also people who have survived the apocalypse, and so like there was always a fight between them and try to like achieve the land they can use. And also it was like how another people that used to live there, that they were called the mountain men. So mountain men were the people who had locked themselves in the underground tunnel system, and who were also like unable to go out. So it was always a fight between all the people who came from the Ark, like the space station, the grounders, the mountain men. And it is like basically a science fiction, a thriller, and also a drama. So like it is also my favorite genre. So I watched it many times, like 5 times I have watched it, and it's also my favorite one.
Another favorite show that I like, it is actually a German show, and I like this show because it is very subtle. People think it's subtle, but it is not. It is actually rebellious and a reckless behavior kind of show. So the main character of this show is Tristan, and Tristan was very provoking. He never settled for anything that wrong happened. He was always against the government, against the rules, anything that wrong happened. So I like this show because I like the idea that we can actually create a world without any wrong things. We can actually create a different world. So this was basically that kind of show, a very rebellious act.
So Tanisha, I realized तूने डार्क और स्ट्रेंजर थिंग्स दोनों मेंशन किया है अपने लिस्ट में. तो डार्क और स्ट्रेंजर थिंग्स दोनों सेम नहीं है, मतलब डार्क में सिर्फ थोड़ा टाइम ट्रैवल ऐड किया है उन्होंने.
नॉट एट ऑल, वो बिल्कुल भी सिमिलर नहीं है.
वो सेम है. देख, डार्क में भी एक टाउन दिखाया है लाइक जर्मन, और में भी, और स्ट्रेंजर थिंग्स में भी जर्मन या फ्रेंच टाउन है. दोनों में एक कुछ अलग स्ट्रेंज होता है, और दोनों में रिएक्टर पावर प्लांट दिखाया है, वहाँ से कुछ इनिशिएट होता है.
बट नहीं, वो सिमिलर नहीं. आई नो मोस्ट ऑफ यू थिंक कि स्ट्रेंजर थिंग्स एंड डार्क सिमिलर है, बट नॉट एट ऑल. First of all, Stranger Things is overrated and Dark is underrated.
Oh.
Now that is true, okay?
Yes, that should be true, I guess.
No, Dark should be overrated or something. It should be recognized at least, because
Okay.
Stranger Things is focused on upside down world, and it has kids, mostly main characters.
Yeah.
Kids, the Dustin and everyone.
डार्क में भी किड्स ही है, बस वो
नहीं.
टीनेज है, मतलब वही
So at least teenagers
है तो बच्चे ही.
No, not kids. because teenagers at least, and Dark is focused on time traveling, like past self, present self, future self. And Dark also has some true emotions in it. It all started with grief, first of all, and grief that a man wants his family to live forever or wants them to be around him. So that is how it started in Dark. But Stranger Things is mostly funny and casual kind of thing, and Dark is mostly about knowledge stuff.
या ऑल्सो लाइक स्ट्रेंजर थिंग्स साइंस फिक्शन है, लेकिन वो डार्क में वैसे ही है कि लाइक जिसको इंटरस्टेलर पसंद नहीं आया या समझ में नहीं आया वो डार्क देते हैं टाइम ट्रैवल समझने के लिए.
Dark is also very difficult to understand. Means at some point you need to pause Dark and realize कौन सा character कितना future में है, past में है. So Dark is also somewhat hard to understand.
So is Interstellar.
So they are similar. But Stranger Things and Dark बिल्कुल भी similar नहीं है.
मुझे तो
Stranger
लगता है
Things
होता
is
है.
mostly funny to watch.
या बिकॉज इसमें किड्स ज़्यादा है तो हो सकता है कि साइंस फिक्शन की वजह से हो सकता है ऐसा.
Maybe.
या
Let's
बराबर?
agree to disagree. Oh, बराबर.
So I'm going to ask them rapid questions. So cameraman वेदांत के साथ rapid questions पे बने रहे. What do you prefer, 40 minutes or 20 minutes episodes?
40 minutes.
A random fact about a TV show.
They have great and hot actors.
डार्क इज ओवररेटेड.
The Boys or Peaky Blinders?
Peaky Blinders.
Witcher or Lucifer?
Lucifer.
Bridgerton or Umbrella Academy?
Umbrella Academy.
नो वन.
जब तुम्हारा मूड नहीं होता तो तुम कौन से मतलब टीवी शो देख के तुम्हारा मूड अच्छा कर देता हो?
Teen Wolf.
वैम्पायर डायरीज.
You.
थैंक्स.
Worst show according to you?
Vampire Diary.
फ्रेंड्स.
Which TV shows can be watched with parents?
With parents. Okay.
With parents.
विद पेरेंट्स आई गेस.
Oh my god.
लॉस्ट.
The Office.
Friends or How I Met Your Mother?
हाउ आई मेट योर मदर.
How I Met Your Mother.
Which character you connect to? Means एकदम तुम घुस जाते हो कैरेक्टर में देखने के बाद कि मैं ही हूँ.
Okay. May Wiley.
डेमन.